Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the 8 to 15 of June 2020, and thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. And thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your feedback on my channel. And if you guys are new, please subscribe. And yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And you know what, guys, if you guys are wondering that which kind of astrology I'm following, so you know what, I am reading the tarot cards which is resonating for both Vedic and Western. So yeah, I'm reading the energies and tarot cards. So definitely, if the title is resonating with you, then there is something important for you, and you guys have to keep in mind your sun, moon, rising, and Venus, because this is resonating for both Vedic and Western. So the title is the main thing. If the title is resonating with you, then there is something important for you. So yeah, Gemini, let's start your reading. This is for the 8 to 15 of June 2020 for the Geminis. Okay, this is for the Gemini. Gemini. Let's cut the deck for you, Gemini. Wow, High Priestess. So something, you know. Knight of Cups, King of Pentacles, Four of Swords, okay, Chariot, World card. Wow, right in the heart of your spread. Something new is, wow, Four of Wands. Someone is rushing to you, Gemini, to have that new beginning because they think that you are the twin flame. Wow. Okay, let's see. Eight of Swords, Empress. Wow. Seven of Swords. Okay. So Gemini, you know what? You are continuously thinking about something which was not for you. Like, you are thinking about something which is not for you. This is not for you. Eight of Swords, Seven of Swords, very lower vibration energies you are thinking about. You are keep trying to attract. Please don't do that, because this is for you. Yeah. Empress, abundance, love, money, health, wealth, prosperity, success, so many good things for you. This is you are capable of. This is not you are capable of. So you know what, these are your mind, these are your thoughts, these are the creation of your mind, your illusions. You are wrapping this abundance up in this bad energy, in this lower vibration energy. So why are you keep doing this? Because abundance, Empress is surrounding by Eight of Swords and the Seven of Swords. So why are you thinking about the negative things when there is so many positive and good things for you? You have to use your intuition, because universe is telling you through your intuition something very important, so that you can move forward in your life to have that new beginning with your true match. Wow, this is the whole story. Yeah, follow your intuition, move on to the new beginning with the beautiful partner. Wow, it's so sweet. Gemini, don't make it difficult for you, because this is a very simple pathway of your life. So just follow it and don't create illusions through your mind, okay? With the Knight of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords, I am feeling that there is something with this person. Must be an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Cancer is here. Cancer, Capricorn, yeah, both of them are here. So very strong, because they both of them are 1/7 of each other partnership house, and most of the planets are revolving around Capricorn and Cancer, because they are their opposite signs. So This is a very strong twin flame connection with this person, so just have faith, move on, and start this new beginning with this person. They are also very abundant with this King of Pentacles energy. They are very stable, they are very mature, they are like man energy, and they are very hardworking as well. Yeah, they had built up their empire by doing the hard work, nothing else. Okay, what is this High Priestess for Gemini, please? For the Gemini. King of Swords, here you are, Gemini. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. King of Cups, yeah. So you know what, we have three kings here with the King of Swords, King of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So definitely you are mostly in your divine masculine energy, but you have to follow your divine feminine energy with the High Priestess, Priestess and Empress here, because these two are very divine feminine, divine energies with the like divine connection with the universe. So they have that, yeah, they have that intuition level, that receiving energy. That's why universe is giving them, because this is also abundance and a growing situation, and this is intuition. So both are in receiving energy. So you have to be in a balanced situation of your energy. You have to balance the divine masculine and divine feminine energy within yourself right now, because universe is giving you the opportunity to do that, to heal yourself, to grow yourself, to be with the person you like. Wow. So don't create any illusions for that beautiful union, please don't do that. I just want to clear the King of Pentacles. Okay, Justice. Two more. Queen of Wands, Six of Wands. So we have three kings here, and the King of Wands is missing, and now we have Queen of Wands. The person is really balanced, they are really mature, and they have so much passion for you. They love you a lot. They want intimacy with you, definitely, because they want connection with you, they want commitment with you. This is marriage, Justice, and after marriage they want to be intimate with you, and they want to have their every success of life with you. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. Okay, what is this world card for the Gemini? What is this world card for the Gemini? I don't know why I'm keep doing this. But this is, wow, here you are, Gemini. Lovers, Ten of Swords, Two of Cups. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Gemini, you know what? You have to end this. Seven of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. These bad energies, you have to end these illusions from your mind, from your energy. You have to clear your energy from this kind of vibration. You have to clear it so that you can have this beautiful connection, because this is like every twin flame connection card, every strong soulmate card is in your reading, and you are going to be abundant like crazy, like crazy. Wow, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful, Gemini. Why are you making yourself stuck with the Eight of Swords? What is this Empress about? What is this Empress about? Page of Pentacles, Three of Swords. Okay, these two cards. A Hermit and Transformation. Okay. So you think that this Empress energy, whoever is this, like the abundance universe is giving you or offering you, you think that this is just an illusion of yours, this is a very small package. But you know what this is? Just the trailer. This is the final. Like the whole thing is this. This is just like a blink of the abundance universe is giving you. This is universe is showing you. Yeah. But this is behind it. So you have to be thankful. You have to be in gratitude mode. You have to be in receiving energy. Because these are so amazing things. With the transformation, you have to transform your thinking. You have to transform your thinking. You have to spend some time alone to change your mind, to change your thoughts. Because this is not a small offer. This is a very big. Because after, behind this is this. So don't think negative. Don't think lower vibration. Please. What is this Eight of Swords? Why are you so feeling so stuck? What is this? This is for the Gemini. Temptation. Six of Swords, Two of Wands. Okay. Okay, so you think that you are stuck with this temptation energy, and you are going to be on the crossroads, some kind of crossroads. But you know what, you have to move on from this kind of temptation, because this is karmic patterns of yours or someone you are dealing with. You have to move away and you have to cut all those ties with this person, because they are not for your benefits and for your good. Just follow your heart, follow your spirit, heal yourself and be in this vibration. Okay, be in this, be yourself. Yeah, simple as that. Be yourself and don't think negative because of other people's opinion. Don't think like that, because universe is offering you abundance. So Gemini, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.